Are you looking for the best portable band saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best portable band saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Milwaukee 2829-22M18 Fuel Compact Band Saw Kit. Milwaukee is among the top names in power tool manufacturers, so we were expecting a lot from this portable band saw, and we were not disappointed. One of Milwaukee's newer models, the M18 Fuel, is considered compact, although we found some full-size features on this tool. For instance, the M18 Fuel comes with dual handles, something that's not always available on compact models, but something we appreciated for helping stabilize the tool while cutting. We charged the 18-volt lithium-ion battery that came with the tool and started testing. The M18 Fuel is ergonomically designed. The trigger handle comes with a non-slip grip, and the second handle has a pummel knob. It was simple to install the metal cutting blade that comes with the saw and lock it into place. After that, we used a vise to hold pipes, angle iron, rebar, and more, and then started cutting. As with all portable band saws, the tool's weight does the cutting. Don't put pressure on the saw to increase cutting speed or risk damage to the cutting blade. This tool cuts at the rate of 540 fpm. We timed the tool, and it took 7 seconds to cut through a standard inch rebar, making it well suited for a job where rebar is used to reinforce a concrete pour. It comes with a speed adjustment dial as well. The downside is the position of the safety lock that must be depressed before engaging the power trigger. It's located above the trigger grip, but it's challenging to hold the lock button down while simultaneously squeezing the trigger, which is required to activate the blade. Up next in the 4th place is the WEN 9439 610 amp variable speed portable band saw. A powerful portable band saw at an attractive price point. This WEN 94396 model contains ball bearings for the blade guides to keep things running smoothly. Its auxiliary handle is adjustable and runs at speeds up to 420 fpm. What makes it so affordable? It's not battery powered. The WEN comes with an electrical cord, so while it can't be used on a job where there's no electrical outlet, it can be used with an extension cord. At 14.5 pounds, the WEN is heavier than some, but not excessively. We found the added weight helped speed up the cutting process. It took just 4 seconds to cut through thin-inch rebar. We also tested the WEN by cutting angle iron, steel, PVC, and conduit. It sliced through all of them like butter, with a cutting capacity of 5 inches by 5 inches. This is a deep throat band saw that will cut through sizable items, and because it's corded, it won't lose power as long as an outlet is nearby. It features an LED guide light that helps cut in low light situations, and because it doesn't depend on recharging a battery, there is no downtime for charging. We had full power every time we cut. The 3rd product on our list is the Metabo HPT CB3612.36V MultiVolt Deep Cut Band Saw. The Metabo HPT MultiVolt band saw weighs in at a hefty 16.5 pounds, but that added weight, combined with its 36 V of power, allows it to slice right through steel and iron. The timed rebar test took just 3.5 seconds to cut through the inch rebar, making this the most powerful of all the portable band saws we tested. It even beat out our corded model. At top speed, the Metabo runs at 640 fpm, and we learned that we needed to make sure we had the blade perfectly aligned, because once it starts cutting, it goes quickly. One of the nicest things about this model is its dual loop handles, which allowed us to use an undergrip rather than just holding on to a stabilizing knob. With a weightier tool, a loop handle like this makes it easier to lift the saw when needed. The cutting capacity on the Metabo is 4 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches, which gives us ample room to cut various pipes, angle iron, and other metal items. We even cut through a 4-inch by 4-inch steel fence post with ease. The saw features an adjustable speed dial and a nice LED light that clearly lights up the material being cut. Interestingly, although this is a heavy-duty saw, we found it was surprisingly quiet while cutting. This powerful saw would be at home on a remodeling project or on a construction site for making quick metal cuts on the fly. Second on our list is the DeWalt DCS 377Q 1 Atomic 20V Max Cordless Band Saw Kit. DeWalt jumps right into the compact band saw market with its new Atomic 20V Max cordless portable band saw that weighs just 6.6 pounds, yet generates 380 FPM. This notable cutting speed allowed the Atomic to cut through inch rebar in 10 seconds, making it well suited for cutting pipes, conduits, and more around the house or on the job. A blade lever release made installing the band blade easy, and we liked the LED guide light that lit up a large area. The smaller 1 3/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch cutting capacity is still big enough to cut a range of metal, iron baluster, and PVC pipes. The tool is designed to be used with one hand, but like the other compact models we tested, we found ourselves wishing it had a second handle to help stabilize the saw while cutting. However, the battery is well placed for using it as a second handle. While it has more power than the 12V model we tested, it still didn't compare in power to the bigger models. The Atomic comes with both a speed dial and a variable speed trigger. We found it easier to use the variable speed trigger to adjust the speed. While we don't think the Atomic will hold up to the repetitive cutting of heavy steel and iron, it does an excellent job of making clean cuts on smaller items. Finally, the top product on our list is the Makita XBP03T18V LXT Cordless Compact Band Saw Kit. Our first impression of the Makita portable band saw was that it was not too heavy, but not too light either. It's just about the right size and weight for comfortable repeated use. Although this is a compact portable band saw, it cuts at high speeds of up to 630 FPM, putting it in the category of prosumer quality tools. It excelled in our timed rebar test, cutting through the bar in just 3 seconds. We loved how quietly this tool operates. Besides the sound of the blade cutting through the material, the actual motor noise was quiet. The manufacturer doesn't provide a decibel level, but we estimated it was around 70 decibels, or about the sound of busy traffic. Safety features include overload protection and a safety switch to prevent accidental starting. It also includes an LED work light. The Makita portable band saw weighs in at 9 pounds when the battery is installed, making it lightweight enough to cut overhead pipes or bars without arm fatigue. It's very ergonomic and comfortable to use. The trigger grip is non-slip, and the tool features a second pommel handle for stability. The cutting capacity isn't as large as some, just 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, but it's plenty spacious for cutting standard residential vent pipes, conduit, and water supply lines. For those who regularly cut pipes, metal railings, and rebar, this Makita portable band saw, although pricey, will likely be an asset and a time saver. The tool comes with an 18V 5A lithium-ion battery. While other 18V Makita batteries may fit the tool, they will not provide as much power if they're less than 5A. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.